your subscribers, they'll tell how you can easily fix your problem. So if you see on your Instagram couldn't refresh feed, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, you just need to first thing just check your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find here Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also you can do it with mobile data or cellular data, just turn it off and turn on again. And also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So after, just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you, just try to go to App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab just write Instagram, and if you see here not open with update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Instagram. So this is the way how you can also do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.